Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you how to draw something that is very important and that you should do many times a day, and that is a toothbrush and toothpaste. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our picture, we're going to begin with the toothbrush. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to start by making a little line that's going to go down. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that comes across, and we'll make another line that comes across here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and I'm going to make a little line that goes up here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up and then come down a little bit. And then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to go down. And I'll connect it with a little line right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. And we'll make another line that comes up right here. Then I'm going to make some little zigzag lines coming across here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to add a little bit of toothpaste on here. So to do this, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to kind of squiggle like this. I'm going to bring it back down and make it squiggle back like that. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and down to here for some toothpaste. Now I want to make the actual toothpaste right up here. So to do this, I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw two little lines that come down, and you can see they're kind of at angles. Then I'm going to make a line across on both of these. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. And we will connect it like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, and another line that comes up like this. Then we just want to draw a line down to connect it. Then right here, we're going to make a line that goes up on each side, kind of at an angle. And we'll just connect these. Right across this little part here, we're just going to add some little lines to show some detail on there. And right along here, I'm just going to make a nice big kind of rectangle shape for the label. Right across here, I'm going to add a couple little lines for the end of our toothpaste. And right here, I want to add some faces on here. So I'm going to begin by making a circle shape right here, and another circle shape over here. I'm going to add a little black dot inside each one, with a little smiley face shape for the mouth. And we'll add a little tongue in here. I'm going to do the same thing down here. I'm going to add a circle right here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to add another circle here. Put a black dot inside each one. And I'm going to make a nice big smiley face shape inside of here. The little line across for the tongue. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some quick little lines up here for the bristles. And there you go, there is your drawing of a toothbrush and some toothpaste. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.